Well, hey, folk, chilling in the garrison. I had a really good day today. Right now, actually, we're cooking. I got this. This is some, it's pork, it's lamb, and we got some jalapenos, aka jalapenos, in there. Cooking that up right now, getting that nice and done. Um, Going to put some Stubbs barbecue sauce in it. I got the sweet honey and spice. This stuff is awesome. Anyways, it was really cool with the hawk today. I did get the leg of lamb done for her. I wanted to leave it on the bone, so it would like be as natural as possible, like she was taking it right off the animal's bone. But it was really hard to cut through that thing. So, anyways, I cut the meat off, and what I had left on the bone, I put the bone out for today, and it was really cool. I called her. I did the whistle that I usually do because I saw her silhouette in a tree over past the graveyard. And I did that call, and then she immediately came over, which was really, really cool. And then after she came over, I went to the van, and I grabbed the bone, and I went over to the tree where I feed her in the back 40, as we call it. And I just held it up and showed her, and immediately she flew over to the tree, which was really awesome. And I put it down, and I'm talking, I could get very close to this hawk now. I was about 4 feet, 5 feet maybe away from her. And she came down, took it. She just looked at me, and I thought it was going to be kind of a big bone. She might not be able to take it, but she grabbed that bad boy in the hawk, and she took in their claw, and she took it. And that was pretty awesome. So I watched her. She landed over in an area that she goes to. It's a pole. She eats off the top of the pole, and she just sat there and ate it for a while. So that was really cool. Um, so yeah. So saw the hawk today. That was awesome. Then everybody started showing up, and we had a really good time. A really good time. And now I'm in the van, and I got some other stuff to tell you. But let me cook this, and I'll get right back to you later, folks. Hey, there we go, folks. So we got the lamb and pork with the barbecue sauce. We got the bun nice and grilled up. So we're about to power chow that. And once I'm done here, I'm going to get right back at you later, folks. Well, dang, folk, I figured I'd show you this because I almost forgot to put the toppings on there. Can't have it without the fixings. So we got some onion and lettuce on there. And throw the top on that bad boy. And we're ready to go. Later, folk. Well, all right, folk. That sandwich was awesome, but I'm thinking I'm pretty much about to call it a night. Just a few more things I got doing here, but there are a few more things I want to tell you guys. A little bit that happened today, a couple things that are coming up, and I'm not going to put this up tonight. I'm going to put this up tomorrow. So I will fill you in the last of it tomorrow, and then I'll get it up later, folks. Well, hey, good morning, folks. We are in the next day, and made my coffee, and I'm finishing up this here Italian sub. But like I was telling you yesterday, got something I got to show you, and it has been extremely windy the past couple days, and you guys already know the situation where the solar panel flew because of the wind. Well, another little wind incident, which was totally unexpected. I didn't think this would happen at all, but yeah, so real windy yesterday. The wind was actually starting to slow down. And then there was one huge gust, and I mean, dust got in my eyes and everything. It was hard to see. And I watched it, and then all of a sudden, and I had heard a loud clunk over here. My solar panel was on the ground, so it was fine. But then I went over and discovered what it was. Let me show you this. I'm going to turn you around. So what it ended up being is right here, one of the hinges to the door. And it's not a big, huge deal. This is just one of the hinges where you put it in there, and that way I can keep it relative. When it's open, it's kind of sturdy, or I can push this out and it opens all the way. So, anyways, this just totally popped out from here. So I think I'm gonna try and fix that up a little bit so I can at least have it somewhat sturdy. But yep, not a huge deal, but I was extremely surprised at the wind. That gust that came through, one gust, and poof, that happened. It was unreal. Yeah. So, anyways, van life, things happen. You just gotta roll with it and deal with it. But another thing, I was gonna tell you today. I'm pretty dang sure it's Thursday, but tomorrow going to take off and go to a car show, and it's out by a really nice place, Crystal Lake, a really cool spot out there. Maybe we'll do a little hiking out there too. Or maybe after the car show or a little bit before the car show, we'll go down to Miller's Pond, which is my favorite spot out here. And we might check that out a little bit too. But anyway, some good rolling tomorrow. Gonna take off, see some cool stuff, and I'll catch you then. But till then, don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.